Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to share a Google Doc. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for docs.google.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this type of web page. Here, either you can access a recent document or just create a new one. Once you are here, click on the share icon at top right corner of your screen and a pop-up will open up asking you to enter a name before proceeding. You can either do that or just click on the skip embed. Here, you can either send this link through the address bar by typing the target person's email, or you can just copy the link by clicking on this copy link button. But before that, click on the access settings and select anyone with link feature. After that, click on this drop-down menu and choose any one of the access levels based on your preference. Once you are done with it, click on the copy button and then send it to the target person. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.